Hi, my name is Ken Candelas. Welcome to another episode of Metal Mastermind. Now, in this video, we're going to talk about how bass can be used in different ways in metal music. Now, bass isn't just background noise. It's really a key player in shaping the sound and feel of a song. Today, we're going to look at how bass plays those different roles in metal and how it impacts its music. In this track, it's Cantos 14 to 31 onto Malice, Fire, and Brimstone. This is where the bass is going to stick to its root notes, support the guitars and drums, just keeping things grounded, heavy. The impact, the works, it's there. In some metal genres, like death or progressive metal, bass can actually serve as something a little bit more percussive. Now, that's a very cool way of driving rhythm. You get punchier, syncopated lines, and it just creates, again, this sort of contingency inside the music that makes it exciting, okay? So what I'm going to show you is in Cantos 4 to 9, the Carnal Sins of Incontinence. This is the actual theme of the Inferno. Now, I want to show you how the bass adds to this theme, and then I want to also show another section of this part where it plays really into this entire orchestral segment with booming war drums. So, if you're listening closely, the bass is playing a clave. And this is one of those things that is really in the roots of me as a musician. I'm a Puerto Rican man, so this is something that is very dear to me, to have Latin-inspired rhythms in my music. And the Carnal Sins, the way it starts is just bam, 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 down, bam, 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 down, right? Just when the guitars start roaring in, it's literally just keeping clave as time. Now, there's another part to this tune that I want you to also hear with the booming war drums. So let's take a look at how the melodic and counterpoint of the bass affects metal music. The bass can really drive a melodic voice, and it's playing alongside or even countering things like guitars or orchestral instruments in this case as well, to add complexity and more depth to its music. Now, I want to show you a very special tune here. This is Snowbound, a cover of Arch Enemy that I made, and it's supposed to feel like a hallelujah coming out of the inferno. So I hope you enjoy. Let's go ahead and check out another way the bass can add more dynamicism to your music. In genres like doom or black metal, bass can be a really haunting atmosphere by using slow, deep notes or effects. It's no secret that bass is so much in time with drums. So when you're synchronizing the bass to the drum set, like groove metal or stoner metal in some cases too, the bass is locking in to create a solid head-banging type of groove. Now, in Homerik's Cantos 1-3 in the Lands of Hell, this is going to be a waltz. And I want to see how the bass locks in with the drums, right? So you can hear that it builds again, right? A lot of Homerik music, very crescendo-esque. So you get this big build with 3/4 waltz time, and then I want you to take a notice on when things turn around in doing 6/8. So pay attention, because this is one hell of a ride. So if you found this video helpful, Please like, subscribe, and comment below. How do you use bass in your music? Let us know your experiences. I would love to know. Now, we are having a lot of exciting things happen in the works behind with Metal Mastermind. So be sure to check out our resources and make sure you sign up to our email list so you're getting notified with all the updates that are to come. You'll find that information with our bio, with our link below as well. Now, you have on Metal Mastermind resources for bass like Metal Bass Master, Metal Songwriters Forge. We got Metal Producer Overlord so that you can figure out how you can mix this and more. This is just going to be something that's going to add to your palette and your skill set of what you can do. We want to make the metal community dominate the music scene. So, with that being said, nothing beats originality. Create your own sound.